Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Scanners. My name is your host, Tommy Cunningham. In today's video, I gotta tell you guys something. Holy cow! I'm like so. I mean it. I'm like so very relaxed right now because I have finished up school. I'm excited about moving forward with my life and seeing where it takes me. Plus, this Friday, I got me a meeting with a volunteer team, which I feel really excited and looking forward to. Plus, also there's like a couple different radio frequencies I've been listening to on that scanner and on this thing on the Broadcast Find website. It's been really interesting lately, just saying. So it's now showing like all over Indiana and mainly the parts of Indiana that I've been missing is like Du Bois County and like Martin County, which I think that's really interesting because the other day while I was at my dad's house, that right there is our so that right there was like a little bit of Bloomington technology of like what they use in here in this area, which I think is really kind of interesting. So also which I feel really looking forward to, and this is what I'm looking forward to. It's like looking around at the several different radio feeds that Indiana has. And like also, which I think is also very interesting about each Indiana radio feed, it's that their radio feeds are generically disparate on their own end, which I think is really kind of interesting. And also like number one, the first radio frequency that I wish I could listen to is like whenever I go up there to Indianapolis, and Indianapolis has like so much like different radio traffic. They have so much different radio traffic. Like whenever you guys go up there. So the first thing that I think is really kind of interesting on their end, it's that their radio channels and their different radio places, like there are like so many like different parks, which I think is so very interesting. That's inside Indiana in so many like different areas, which I think is really kind of interesting on their end. So like the first thing that I would recommend what you guys should do, it's like using a new radio scanner from your own area. So the first thing that I recommend what you guys do, it's to look up your radio scanner traffic. and see like what is there to listen to. Because you guys may not know like what is there to listen to in your type of area. So this guy, just to show you, Josh Cahill, this video is currently coming from Russia, which I think is really kind of interesting on their end. Which Russia has like so much different radio traffic there, like so much different stuff that in our place of Indiana, which is like so very different and like so very interesting, it's that the first thing that they use on their legs of journey, it's that their radio traffic is so blend. It is so secret sometimes because they are part of a secret state.
West Bloomfield Road, Twin Lakes Recreation Area, EMS Alpha, cross of South Stone Drive and South Weimer Road. Chief complaint, traumatic injuries specific, 12:28 hours.
So just to show you guys like a new radio traffic, which I think is really kind of interesting. So that right there was from Delaware County. And this right here is like from all over Indiana. So there's like my county right there. There's like Monroe County. This is like from Kenyon. So that right there is like from Kenyon Dispatch.
Possibly as a compound fracture in their ankle area.
So that right there was like from our fire dispatch, which I think is really kind of interesting. See like what's different about our fire dispatch. So also what I do whenever I look for radio traffic, and like it's not from my local area, I try to look around for their radio traffic and see like what kind of radio traffic do they use in their areas. So also there's like so much like different radio traffic which goes on in Indiana, which I think is so very interesting and which I wish I could listen to. It's like it's like whenever so that right there is from like Muncie Dispatch. That dispatch is so very busy sometimes. So this right here is currently from DNR South Region Dispatch. Their dispatch is a real interesting dispatch. So there is like so much like different radio traffic that there is like so much like different areas that you guys can listen to, which I think is like so very different on their end, and which I think is really kind of different on our end. So I just showed you guys a taste of ARIA traffic right here from my BCD 996P, 325P2, and from my RIA traffic here in Indiana, from like using like the RIA traffic from Indiana's dispatch, from like all around Indiana. So the first thing what I would recommend everybody does, if you guys go look around for like different RIA scanner dispatches, is that try to find your dispatch number. So kind of like sometimes my RIA dispatch number is Bloomington or like Muncie. Or like White County. That's what's different about my area. And sometimes what's different about their RIA dispatches is that sometimes their RIA dispatches does not come in that clear, because sometimes they do not give out the bestest RIA signal. So act like you guys are on a job, which you guys have to take a RIA scanner with you. I try to take my RIA scanner wherever I can take it. But sometimes it doesn't get charged every night because I cannot find my charger. So you guys see this charger right here, which I love so very much. It might break. So also, like looking around like at these several different dispatches and like the several different areas that so many people in Indiana uses, it is just like so different. Alright guys, that's it. Have a great day. I will see you guys back here tonight.